Lily was happy because today she will go to fair with her father. She told to her father,
Papa, you promised to take me to the fair today.
"Yes, my little princess. After my meeting, we'll go together." Father Cat is working in his office. She was happy and excited. Sun is setting down. She waited and waited. She fell asleep waiting for her hero. He looks at a digital drawing of him and daughter Cat at a fun fair and realizes the time. He forgot. Then he runs towards home. She waited for me and I wasn't there, but I'll make her smile again. I promise. He took some paper and tried to make interesting for her. Next morning he gave paper crown. Papa kept his promise in his own way. If you like my video, comment here and share with other friends.